Happy Friday. I'm currently getting ready to go to a Rufus concert with my hubby. We haven't been to a concert in so long, so it's about 5:30 right now and the doors open at 7:30. So we have some time. I'm just taking my time getting ready, and I did space buns. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I feel like it's kind of giving Princess Leia just because my hair is so long, but let me show you my inspo pic. So I saw this cute hairstyle on this girl on Pinterest. So first of all, my hair is really dirty. Second of all, I feel like my pigtails are too clean. I probably could have made my curls pop a little bit more, but that's my inspo. Mainly with the bows though, so I still need to finish putting the bows on top, and I think it'll look so freaking cute. Like, I didn't want to copy that hairstyle identically. I just wanted to copy the bows, so don't think that I tried to copy this hairstyle exactly. It was mainly the bows that were my inspo. So I'm gonna pop these on after I finish my makeup. I'm almost done with my makeup. I literally just bought these press-on falsies like an hour ago. I went to CVS with my hubby. My girlfriend Mina told me that she loves them, so she influenced me to get them. You don't need glue or anything. You just pop them on under your lashes instead of over them. So I'm about to do that right now. I'm gonna put them on the outer corner. But yeah, just wait until you see my outfit, because right now I don't know how I feel about my hair. I'm not trying to look like Princess Leia. I'm trying to have cute space buns. Anyways, let me finish my makeup and then I'll put the bows on. And oh, my hubby got his first pink shirt ever the other day because I'm wearing pink and white and I wanted him to match me. And we went to the store. He tried on a couple of shirts. He's never owned a pink shirt before, but I think he looks so handsome in it. It makes him look tan. I don't think there's anything feminine about a man wearing a pink shirt. I wanted us to match because I'm just envisioning a super cute photo of us together, and it just looks so much cuter when you're matching with your mans. I think this was supposed to come with a non-stick applicator, like some tweezers, but I opened it so fast I didn't even notice if it was in the box or where it went, but I swear I didn't see it. So I found these. There's 2 rows. One says medium and one says large. I think I'm gonna do large. You guys, oh no, I don't know about this. This is with 1 on the outside. I'm gonna add 1 more. And this is the long one. I'm glad I did the long one because it's not that long. I'm still kind of nervous that these are gonna pop off in the middle of the concert, but we'll see. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Oh my God, I love these. It looks so natural, bitch. Shout out to you, Mina. They're also on Amazon Prime and they have a bunch of different styles to choose from. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll do my hair. You guys, I was lacing my shoes up and when I went to tighten them, my shoelace broke. What the hell kind of cheap shoelaces are these anyways? These Converse weren't cheap. They're like $130 or whatever. I'm pissed. I've only worn these a handful of times too. So let me see if I can make these look good while using the same shoestring. This is so ghetto. This is my outfit. The top is from Lulus. This is my first time wearing it. How freaking cute is it? It's like a little corset. Adorable. This is a size small, and then I got these Princess Polly shorts last year. They were a little tight on me, so they fit me a lot better this year. So cute. Just like my Converse. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do because I kind of just like tied it all janky like. No one's gonna notice, but I feel like it's about to rip again in a different place. They're just busting at the seams. I have 6 of these bows, so I'm gonna do 3 on each side. I feel like it'll look kind of cute if they're like all over the place. Please don't fall off though, because these bows are so cute. Okay, I never wear them. And all of a sudden I don't want to lose them. My poor hubby, he's just having a little party out there by himself. He's so patient. It's kind of cute. What do you think? How does that look? Cute? I think it's cute. Okay, girl. How did the lashes look, you guys? Makeup snatched, hair snatched. Okay. Fit check. We look so cute. Do you think we look cute?
So cute.
Are you excited?
Pink on pink.
Yes. Real men wear pink. We have our Uber on the way, and I'm gonna leave my vlogging camera here because they don't allow professional cameras. So I'm just gonna get some B-roll on my phone when we get in there. And I also ordered a fan off of Amazon because, you know, it's usually really hot, but I don't know if I'm gonna need it. My hubby said I should leave it, but let me show you how cute it is. It matches my outfit. It's so freaking cute, right? It feels so good. I don't want to not bring it and be upset though, baby. I think I'm gonna bring it. I think it's gonna be hot. It's so cute. He's giving me a weird look. He's just jealous. I love it. I think it was like $20 on Amazon. We got a watermelon margarita. It comes in a little shaker bottle. Is it leaking? Happy Monday, you guys. I just picked up some packages from my mailroom. I made this Lulus order with my Europe trip in mind, so hopefully everything fits so I can wear it on my trip next month. And then I have some PR packages. I also didn't get a chance to show you my bay clogs that I ordered. These are going straight back to the store because they're not comfortable. I don't like how they look. I feel like you have to have a smaller foot to pull these off, and it's not just about how they look. What it really comes down to is how comfortable they are, and they're just not really comfortable. So sad to say, these will be going back to the store. So let's get into this Lulus order. My mans and I had too much fun on Friday night. I didn't even vlog that much because that's how much fun we had, but we were recovering all weekend. We were just rotting away Saturday and Sunday. We slept so much, so I'm revived, I'm ready to go. I have a bunch of content to create. This top is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with corset tops. This is so freaking darling. There's no other word that comes to my mind but darling. So this is a floral corset and it ties right here. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. I got these pink earrings. They kind of look purple, but they're actually pink. I got this really pretty white and gold necklace. I feel like these pearls will pop on my skin because I am getting so tan just from the walks that my husband and I have been going on. I filmed a morning routine this morning. I'm trying to get back into filming those once a week. I did a little 20-minute Pilates workout at home because I didn't have a class today at Club Pilates. I have one tomorrow. Since we're gonna be spending about 4 to 5 days in the Amalfi Coast, I made sure to get a yellow dress. How gorgeous is this? This just screams Italy, doesn't it? I got this white maxi skirt because I don't have anything like this, and I've been seeing all the girlies on Pinterest wear these. This would look so cute with that corset top that I unboxed first. I was thinking about wearing this dress on our first night in Paris. It's my husband's birthday and we have a 3-course dinner Seine River cruise. It's super bougie. It was a pretty penny, but I know it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be both of our first time in Paris. And I was looking at the regular cruises, which you can book a regular cruise for like maybe 20 euros or something like that. But then when I saw the 3-course dinner cruises and all of the really good reviews, plus it's my husband's birthday, I was like, we're gonna go all out. It's gonna be such a great experience. The whole trip we have planned is the trip of a lifetime. I'm so freaking excited. I'll tell you guys more about our itinerary the closer it gets. But I think this dress would be so perfect for that because it's long, it's elegant. Look at this gorgeous tube top. I can also wear this with that white skirt. I'm obsessed with the heart detailing in the center. So coquette. I hope this romper fits good because sometimes rompers can be too short and they just like show the cheeks. And we can't be looking ratchet in Europe. Look how gorgeous this tube top romper is. It has a little bow in the front. So cute. So I plan on bringing all of these pieces with me to Europe. Oh my God. And then Look at this cutie bathing suit. I'm trying to give you the visual, but it's a one piece with a bunch of cutouts and then the flower detailing in the center. How freaking cute is that? And then it also has like a ruched detailing on the booty, which is so flattering. So cute. So I feel like this is gonna look really good on. I feel like this bathing suit screams European summer. Let's open some PR now. Look at this Paris Hilton poster. Loves it. Oh my God, they went all out. A Lancome Juicy Tube keychain. This is so freaking cute. Let's open her up. You know, I'm excited for the pink one. And this one looks really pretty too. I got all this stuff from Mighty Patch, but I'm also kind of like, should I be offended? I mean, my skin has been acting up lately, but thank you. Ever since I started my retinol back up, I feel like my skin has been looking better, so thank you, Redken. Cute, cute. Now I need to clean this mess up. Happy Tuesday. I just finished getting ready because I'm about to film a clean with me. It's pretty messy in here. I refreshed my hair with some water. I'm looking like a wet dog right now, but I'm just gonna let it air dry while I clean. I'm gonna make myself a coffee first. I had a 10 a.m. Pilates class that I went to, but I literally just rolled out of bed and went to it looking like a gremlin. I have an 11 a.m. Pilates class tomorrow, so I'll look cuter for that and take you guys along with me. I'm hosting my girlfriends over this Friday, which I'm really excited for. I just need to go shopping, get some cauliflower pizza, some stuff for a charcuterie board. We're gonna do some games, have some fun drinks. So it should be a good time. I'm excited to see all of my girls. Not all of them have met each other yet, so I'm excited to see how everyone's gonna get along, and I already know everyone's just gonna hit it off. So I'm just extra excited because I've never had so many girlfriends in my life at one time, and they're just all so amazing. So I'll vlog Friday, but that'll be in my next vlog, so stay tuned for that. I also got this PR package in the mail from Pharmacy. Look how cute this little ice chest is. They even sent this towel. It's nice and luxurious. She feels expensive, just in time for a Europe trip because they sent a bunch of TSA sized skincare products. So freaking cute. I can't. I need to take a picture of this and post it. That's why I haven't put it away yet. So this is the before. It's not too bad, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of bad actually. It's 1 p.m. and my husband and I have pickleball reservations at 5 p.m. So I want to spend the next couple of hours being productive, creating content. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I also did my nails, the same nail stickers. It's about an hour later and it looks so much better in here. I vacuumed, mopped, the whole 9 yards. I just need to empty the vacuum, put that away, and right now I'm about to make my hubby and I some lunch. We're gonna have chicken salads, I think. Maybe ground beef, I'm not sure. This is my pickleball OOTD. We're about to head over to the courts right now. We got some new paddles in the mail too, so I'm super excited. One of them's pink, and then the other one is black, I think, for my man. We got our first game in and we lost, unfortunately. What was the score, babe? We lost 11-9. They were in the lead for a good while and then we caught up, but we could have won. How baby? How are you liking the new paddle? Good. He said it's a little bit heavier than the ones we usually use, but I like it. I've been hitting the ball too far when returning a serve, so I need to like dial it back a little bit. But other than that, it's really good. We have time for one more game, I think, and then we're gonna get a quick workout in. Happy Happy Wednesday, you guys. I'm currently on my way to my 11 a.m. Pilates class. I got cute and I'm filming some content because today is my 60th class. That feels like a lot, but also not really at the same time. I know they have you like sign a board for your 100th class, 150, 200, but I don't think they have you do anything for anything under 100. But I'm celebrating. I wasn't gonna film content today because I was just feeling a little bit lazy. My husband and I went to the gym earlier this morning, like at 7 a.m. and we did leg day. I haven't done leg day in so long. My leg muscle is almost non-existent at this point and I wanna get back into doing leg day like twice a week. So I need to commit. I need to write in leg days into my weekly routines. Otherwise, I'm just not gonna do it. So I need to figure out what days I want to be leg day. Probably Wednesday, since that was today. Monday and Wednesday maybe, or Wednesday and Saturday, I don't know. I like to use Wednesdays to edit my weekly vlog, so that's what I'll do today when I get home. So Friday night I'm having my girlies over, and then I have brunch plans on Sunday for my new Pilates friend that I just made. We've been DMing on Instagram for the past couple of weeks and we finally met in person yesterday. She's so sweet. Her name is Megan, so we're gonna go to brunch on Sunday. I'm really excited because you know I'm a slut for brunch. So I'm really looking forward to this weekend.
You got 5. One more set.
Happy Thursday. I just finished filming some content for Lulus. I tried on all of the pieces that I ordered for my Europe trip, but I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't want it to be too long. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.